Drowsy's impact reached far beyond the forest, attracting attention from neighboring woodlands. News of the once lazy fox, who had become a passionate educator, spread, inspiring other animals from different regions to join the learning community. As the forest school flourished, Mrs. Owl proposed an ambitious project: the creation of a magical library deep within the heart of the woods. The library would house not only books, but also interactive displays and engaging activities designed to make learning an enchanting experience. Drowsy, along with his friends, took on the challenge of building the library. They constructed treehouse classrooms, installed colorful learning stations, and decorated the surroundings with vibrant artwork. The magical library became a beacon of knowledge, inviting animals from all around to embark on an educational journey. The forest now hosted events, workshops, and gatherings, attracting scholars and educators who wanted to contribute to this unique learning environment. Drowsy, once a reluctant student, found himself surrounded by a diverse group of friends, each bringing their own expertise to the community. The library became a hub of creativity, where animals explored not only numbers but also literature, science, and art. Drowsy's journey had evolved into a larger quest for holistic education, transforming the once isolated forest into a thriving educational ecosystem. One day, a delegation from the Grand Council of Animals visited the enchanted forest. Impressed by the positive changes and the unity among the animals, they recognized the forest school as a model for fostering harmony and knowledge in the animal kingdom. Drowsy, now a symbol of transformation and education, was honored by the Grand Council. The lazy fox had become a wise leader, guiding the forest community toward a brighter future. The magic of learning had not only changed the life of one fox, but had also touched the hearts of animals far and wide. And so, the once miskin and miskin at heart animals continued their educational journey, ensuring that the enchanted forest remained a sanctuary where the joy of learning thrived, leaving a legacy for generations to come. Melody, upbeat and cheerful. Let's count with joy from 1 to 9 in the forest school where stars align. A magical library, dreams come alive, characters singing beneath the waves we dive. In the enchanted forest, Drowsy's tale unfolds, lazy fox turned teacher, as the story molds. Mrs. Owl's vision, a school and library grand, Drowsy and friends, walking hand in hand. 1 to 9 in the light of learning. Characters unite, day and night's turning. From neighboring woods, they all gather near, eager to join in the rhythm they hear. The magical library, a playground of creativity, literature, science, art, and adventure for all to see. Under Drowsy's leadership, the community grows. The Grand Council smiles as the learning star glows. So the tale concludes, the forest's joy expands, characters counting, from blackberries to sands, the story of the enchanted forest, where dreams may be, the numbers song echoes to eternity.